Welcome to Hamska Academy. Hunger, hardship and popular revolt. In 1830s, it was a year in 1830s where great economic hardships were rising up in Europe. The first half of the 19th century has seen enormous increase in the population. So in 1830s, it was a time when Europe is been experiencing great economic hardships. It was at the time when the population started to grow, increase a lot. In most of the countries, there were more number of job seekers than employment, which means the number of people ready to work are more than the number of jobs available, which is a very tough time and high state of unemployment. Similarly, the population started to migrate from the rural areas to urban areas, and it resulted in the overcrowding of slums. When we migrate from rural areas to urban areas, we don't have that much money to live in comfortable areas. So they go to the areas which are available at less rent. So that areas are slums. So they started to become overcrowded, which means there is a huge migration happening from rural areas to urban areas. Food shortages, widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. Because of food shortage, unemployment, the problems which people are facing made them to come onto the streets, out onto the roads of city of Paris. So, looking at this outrage of the public, the revolution of the public, the National Assembly proclaimed that it is going to turn into republic, and they granted universal adult franchise for all men who are above 21 years of age, and granted right to work because they are having heights of unemployment. In order to sort this problem, they started to give them right to work promise. They are changing the monarchic form of government into republic form so that people can have their say in administration. So these are few changes, few problems which made people to come out of their houses to the streets of Paris, and that brought change in the policies after 1830 revolt. Earlier in 1845, the weavers in Celsia had led a revolt against the contractors. So who supplied them the raw materials and gave them orders for finished textiles. So the raw materials are given to them and orders for finished textiles are given to the weavers by the contractors. So this is the incident which happened on 4th of June, 2 p.m. A large crowd of weavers have marched in pairs and they demanded for better wages or higher wages. Now the contractor fled away and his family to a neighboring village, which however refused to give shelter to them. So when they tried to do this one, so they refused to give a shelter to such a person. So he returned back 24 hours later, having he requested the army for help and security. In exchange that followed, 11 weavers were shot. So we are describing about an incident which happened in 1845. The weavers in Celsia had led a revolt against the contractors. On 4th of June, 2 p.m., they all crowd went to the weavers' homes, the contractors' home, in the pairs. They marched in pairs, means two people together, up to the mansion. So looking at this one, the contractor he left the village with his family and went to another village, the neighboring village which is located. But the neighboring villagers refused to give shelter to such person. So he returned 24 hours later, having requested for army support. So army came in support of the contractor, and in exchange they were attacked by the villagers. So when they got exchanged with each other, means in the fight, nearly 11 weavers were shot. We are discussing now about the key points which you all have to make a note in your notes. In most of these countries where the issues in Europe we have, like in France, in Germany and all, the job seekers, there are more job seekers than jobs which are available, which is a clear indication that there is lot of unemployment. Similarly, the population from rural areas migrated to the cities to live in overcrowded slums. So there is a migration concept, there is unemployment problem. Now once you migrate, you get lot of issues like no houses, no proper sanitation facilities, no clean drinking water facilities. The areas where these people stay will be like with very less hygiene facilities. So those come under slum areas. So these slums started to become overcrowded. Apart from this, the rise of the food due to the bad harvest, the problems got added. Now the widespread pauperism in the towns. So number of items available became less, no employment. People started to leave the places, migrate from the villages to towns. Pauperism started to spread everywhere in the towns and in the country. In 1848, the population of Paris came out onto the roads, and Louis Philippe was forced to flee. The nation and the National Assembly proclaimed that it is going to be republic from now. So the agitation, the people's crowd, the people's anger, because they are suffering a lot due to unemployment, migration, overcrowding of slums, and failure of crops due to the bad harvest. One after the other, everything got added. So now they are not able to bear these problems. So that is the thing where the population of Paris came out onto the roads. When the population of Paris came out onto the roads, Louis Philippe was forced to flee. So he ran away to England with his family, and National Assembly proclaimed that they are going to become as Republican nation. So in 1845, the weavers in Chelsea led a revolt against the contractors, the backdrop of the same situation.